Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. Thank you so much for stopping by. In this video, we are going to learn how to make Ghana corn dough or cornmeal. Okay, in Ghana, I think we call it Imore. Ghana Imore. Yes. So if you want to learn how I made this beautiful corn dough for your Kenkey, for your Pampa, for your Banku, for whatever you want to use it for, stay tuned and go nowhere and let's get started. So first, you're gonna need your Goya dry corn, guys. This corn I got it from a Mexican store, and this one is like the broken ones. It's perfect for this because that's what I need, and it's gonna help me blend it faster. So remember, you need 4 of them. I got this one for like $1 a piece. It's so affordable and it's very easy. So this is very good for you. So in a clean bowl, guys, we're going to add all our corn and then put all of them together. Yeah, guys, this corn also you can use it for Ghana obrayo or egweme. Remember those food in Ghana? Yes, this is like perfect corn for that recipe too. I'm planning on it and I'm going to make that one soon. Yeah, so this is very good for your corn dough, for your egweme, or for your obrayo. And as you can see, guys, it is pure white. Yeah, it is very nice, just like the Ghana dry broken corn. Yeah, this is very nice, just like the one we have in Ghana. So now in the clean bowl, I added a lot of water. Yes, you're gonna need a lot of water because we are going to soak the corn in there. Yeah, the reason why I'm going to soak this corn is it's going to help the corn softening, and that is the perfect texture that I want, so it will be easy to blend. So after you soak your corn, guys, leave it there for 3 days. Yes, leave your corn in the water for 3 good days. So guys, after 3 days, you're gonna see like a lot of bubbling coming out from the water, and it's gonna double in size. So this is how you see that this is ready. As you can see, guys, I'm playing with it because it looks just gorgeous and I love it. Yeah. So now we are going to drain the water out, and then we are going to wash it 3 times. So after you wash your corn, this is how it's gonna look. It's gonna look typical white. That is what you need. And now we are going to blend it. So guys, in my blender, I am going to divide this corn into 2 because it's a lot of corn. It's a lot, and I cannot blend all of it at once. And to get like the best smooth texture, divide it into 2 and then blend it in your blender. And if you don't have a blender, you have food processor, that is perfect. You can use it. But guys, trust me, Ninja blender is the best. It's a good blender. And guys, as you can see in this video, I am going to blend my corn and then gradually open it and then stir, work it. Yeah, that is what like I'm doing this video. Work on the other side and then add all of them together. So by the time you are done, your corn is going to be very smooth. This is the best way for you to blend your corn. Guys, repeat this 3 good times and trust me, your corn will be amazing. Yeah, a better fit, a better come, no smooth. Come. That is what you want for your Kenkey, your Banku, or your Cocoa, or your Impampa. Yes, so repeat this method 3 good times, guys, and you're gonna get the perfect cornmeal. So guys, after everything is done, this is how it's gonna look. You see, it looks just like the one that we blended in Ghana, Nika. And the way they blend it, this is how it looked. The same thing, guys. So I'm going to throw this in my clean bowl, and then I'm going to blend the other corn. Yeah, so make sure, and as you can see, the more you blend it, it's gonna double in size. It's gonna be a lot, and this is perfect, guys. This corn is affordable. It's even easy for the budget, guys. So that is what you need. So this is the second one. I am going to blend it, and I'm going to repeat the same method, yeah, that I did on the first one. And then you will see everything will be perfectly mix or blend well. Guys, trust me, work it on side by side, add every corn, every pieces in there, and your corn will be really nice. So after everything is well blended, guys, that's the first one, and this is the second one. So I am going to add everything in it. I am so excited because this corn is looking very nice. I am faye, I come. This is what I want for my Banku. So nowadays I'm not gonna worry about buying my cornmeal. I'm not gonna stress out. This is gonna be stress free for me. This is perfect and I love it, guys. So try this at home and you will be very surprised at how this came out. So just $4 cornmeal and I got a bunch of cornmeal, guys. Wow, guys, Moreno I come up in young guys. I'm so excited for this cornmeal, guys. It looks so nice. I can see the consistency is just perfect. I love how small it is. That's how I'm playing with it, guys. But this is how I make my Ghana in Morio. It's looking very nice. It's good for your Kenkey, for your Banku, cocoa, pampa, guys. This is perfect. Okay, so if you want to learn how I mix this with water and then also how I preserve this, I have a video about it. Go ahead and check it out. And so guys, if you made this recipe too, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, okay? And also tag me if you make the gari. Tag me on Instagram. Let me see how yours turn out to be. So thank you so much for watching. And for those who are new to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. We are here to learn new things and get better in abroad. I'm going to show Bibiara. And for those who are old, guys, you know I love you. Without your support, there wouldn't be no OBAAPA Kitchen. Thank you so much. I will see you on my next video. Enjoy Ghana and more papabi nika dear. Now even better than that. All right, guys. See you. Bye bye.